Welcome back to Gear of Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install Microsoft 365 web apps using Google Chrome browser on Windows 10 PC. For your information, you can always use free version of Microsoft 365 using any web browser. However, if you prefer to install Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook on your Windows 10 PC, then first open your Chrome browser and then navigate to the link that you will find in this video description. I have included link for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Visit any link you want to install as web app and then click on this one triple dot menu, and in the drop down menu select save and share option and then click on this one create shortcut, then click on this one create button. By default it will open in a new tab on your Chrome browser, and in case you want to open it as a window, check this one option open as window and then click on this one create button. This will create a desktop shortcut, as well as you will find this one Word option that you have installed just now in the start menu. Just click on this one start button and you will find this one Word option. Similarly, you can install Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook on your Windows 10 PC. To launch this one app, just click on this one start button and click on this one Word, Excel or whatever you have installed, and it will open in your Chrome browser as a window or in a new tab on your Windows 11 PC. And in case you want to remove it from your Windows 10 PC, again click on this one start button and then click on settings. Under settings, click on apps, then select apps and features. Under apps and features search box, search for the app you want to uninstall. For instance, I have installed Microsoft Word and I want to remove it. Just search it and click on this one option and then click on this one uninstall button. Again click on uninstall button. Now that particular app will be uninstalled from your Windows 11 PC after clicking on this one remove button. That's all about this video.